the slick back hairstyle is one of the hottest hairstyles out there for guys. Today, I want to actually show you how I style it because it is a little bit different than a lot of the tutorials I've been seeing online. So step number one is after the shower, comb your hair straight back. Now, the thing that a lot of these tutorials will do is style their hair when it's wet. I have tried this, but I don't feel like it holds well enough. And so for me, after I comb it into place, I'm gonna basically dry my hair. But I'm drying it and directing the hair back. And, all right. So my hair is dry, nothing in it. And then I'm gonna apply my pre-styler, all right? I'm not gonna totally saturate my hair, but I'm gonna add a good amount. All right, I'm gonna link to the sea salt spray down below if you guys wanna check it out. I'm also gonna link to the product I'm using, which is the Putty. I'm gonna give you guys a deal right now for this tutorial, $20 for both of these products. It's literally like 50% off. If you wanna grab it, supplies are limited, all right? So I've applied my sea salt, and then, once again, I'm just gonna come in and comb my hair back. And then grab your high hold product, all right? I'm gonna be using the Pete and Pedro Putty. I don't like to use gel. I feel like it looks a little bit too wet, too crunchy, but I'm gonna get a nice size dab of my high hold low shine product, all right? And then I am going to emulsify. You're gonna wanna use a little bit more hair product than you typically use for this style because honestly, you need to really lock it into place. And so once it's emulsified, then you're gonna start running it back through your hair, all right? Make sure to get the sides as well. You wanna really get down to the root. If you need to come in and use a little bit more product, totally cool, all right? Once again, it's back, all right? You don't want it to have like a center part that looks dorky. You wanna push it back and almost like smooth it back with your hands, all right? And then you're gonna come in and really tighten up the sides, all right? And that is pretty much it. If you want like a piece coming down on the side, you can do that. All right, but for me, I like it going straight back without the comb lines. I really feel like using your hands and your fingers is gonna give it a more natural, sexy aesthetic, but that's it. A quick, easy, slick back tutorial. If you wanna grab these products, guys, like I said, $20. If you hit the link down below, this is for a limited time. Bottom line, your hair is now sexy.